Welcome to the channel, and today we are going to briefly describe a procedure followed in carrying the following test to verify if your air conditioning system is working or not. You are asked preliminary checks. These are checks that you make using your eyes to discover whether your AC is in good condition or not. Number 1, you have to start the car. Confirm the AC lines are free from corrosion, dint, bending. Check if the compressor is rotating, taking a key note on the noise from it. Check the pulley to the connection to the engine and the electrical cabling. Cooling test. You're supposed to allow the engine to run for a few seconds. Using a thermometer, measure the temperature of air coming out of the dashboard. If the temperature is appropriate, then it is working to its optimum condition. If the temperature is too high or low, that indicates that the air conditioning system is not working to its optimum condition. Pressure test. Using a recharge tank, connect the recharge hose to the low pressure and high pressure hose to the vehicle recharge point. High pressure point. I like to repeat myself. Connect the low pressure hose to the low pressure point and the high pressure hose to the high pressure point respectively. Run the engine and measure the gauge pressure on the high pressure point of about 200 kilopascals and low pressure point of 19 kilopascals. If the pressure indicates otherwise, the AC condition is not working to its optimum conditions. Leakage test. This can be done using a UV dye, or you can also take the pressure test by also measuring the pressure as indicated earlier, but I think the UV dye can be used more appropriately to discover if there's any leak in the AC conditions. Well, we're going to start now. That's the procedure of carrying out some of these tests that you're required to write in exams. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bar for new videos that are posted daily.